Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. In this video, we're hitting episode 24 of racing every single track in every single car instead of Gran Turismo 7. We're going to be hopping right in. I actually don't even have it pulled up yet, so we're about to find out where we're going. Here we are. As we hop in here, we're back with episode 23. So getting everything set up. Super quick hopping in now as we're continuing to do things. So let's see where we are going. I barely remember where we have been. This volume's a little too loud there. Okay, so I do remember last time we did Trial Mountain Circuit. So we've done both full course and full course reverse. So Willow Springs International Speedway is right up next. And frankly, I'm not a big fan of this one. Oh, we've got a few variations. So we're going to do Big Willow. That's pretty. Ooh. Let's do Sunrise. Let's try it. Let's do Sunrise. Here we go. So we're going to hop in here. Go for our 3 races. Make sure everything's set up. Good. I got my spacing. Let's hop in here and get on it. I mean, immediately they're taking us. Oh, that was too tight. Now, well, that's one reason why I don't like this track, because even the AI can't drive it. Now, I've done a bit of driving when going through the story mode of here, trying to get through everything. And this is a pain in the butt to finally beat with the car that I was restricted to. I'm never going to forget to not stop there. I kept running off the track too many times before. And I can't go too fast here, or else we won't be able to slow down in time. There we go. As P1 continues to grow his gap, their gap. A lot of wind noise. Sounds like the windows are open. Gonna have to, there we go, come on. Coming around inside. Hold it. Holding that edge. Whew. Oh, well, we tossed him off the track, basically. Oh, well. They tossed us off the track. It's okay. Type R holds a lot better on this track than the last one did. But I will say, last car I did, which was the NSX. I think it was the Type R NSX. But that was also modified and designed to go a lot faster than what I'm pushing right now. Hold. There we go. But I've also gained a bit of skill learning how to get through these tracks. To be able to hold a better line and stuff like that. Still nowhere near to perfect, but we are most definitely learning. And knowing the track is just half the battle. Another portion is knowing the car. Ooh. There we go. Got to keep it steady. Smooth movements. There we go. Now our P3, closing that gap in. I do always tend to overshot this. So I'm trying not to overshoot it here. There we go. Come on. We're going to beat the C6 ZR1. Right on his tail. Come on. No, he's pulling away. He's pulling away. Well, that ZR1 is something else. This thing's got corners all day, though. There we go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Blue Devil. We got P1 with this 458 Italia. We've closed that gap a good bit. I mean, now it's on easy mode, granted. But on a track that I'm not necessarily too fond of, we've done great. Oh, oh, well, that was his fault. Bye-bye. That was it. Oh, shoo. Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. There goes a 0-1 taking revenge. Okay, we're going to take him in this last straight. Screw him. I'm done playing your games, buddy. Bye-bye. I'm done playing your games. No. Stay over there. Don't even. Nope, stay away from me. There you go. They're playing their games today. I feel like I handled that a little well. Oh, or go off the track. That would have been a penalty. I'm almost sure of it. Yeah, they like to run us off the track there a bit. Well, that was episode 24. So this was what? Big Willow? Yeah, Willow Springs International Speedway, Big Willow. So we've done that one. We've got a few other tracks to be racing today, so we can get some content out to you. Other than that, thank you again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. And as I stated many videos before, I am working on getting better. I'm working on improving. Got any tips, let me know. I'm always learning. But sim racing, I got to say, is a lot different than real life. But it's got a lot of similarities. A lot of different, field, trail braking, stuff like that. And off-roading hasn't ever felt smoother. Other than that, y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all on the next video.